Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. Do you also want to play Pokemon Go without getting the annoying fail to detect location error 12 issue on your iOS devices? Then I have a very easy fix for it. Let's get started. For today's video, we'll be using two tools. The first one is going to be TenorShare iAnyGo, which is supported for iOS 17 as well as Android 14. The second tool which we'll be using is going to be Pogo Wizard. Now iAnyGo and Pogo Skill have partnered together to provide you with Pogo Wizard, which is used to fix Pokemon Go error 12 issue. Now if you also want to use this tool, then just go ahead and choose the platform that you are using. Afterwards tap on this button. Afterwards, for spoofing Pokemon Go, we'll be using the TenorShare iAnyGo, which has lot of features like sharing fake locations, hiding location on iOS/Android devices, changing GPS location on game apps, mocking location, including joystick controls and much more. So this is the tool that we'll be using for today's video. The next step will be to set up Pogo Wizard. For that, just choose your language. Afterwards tap on I accept, then tap on next, create a desktop shortcut, and Pogo Wizard will start setting up on your PC. Once the setup is complete, just go ahead and tap on the finish option, and there we have it. We have the Pogo Wizard. Now most important step is to log in or register your Pogo Wizard. For this, just go ahead and tap here. Afterwards, enter your email ID and registration code. Once that has been done, you need to sign in with any of your Apple ID. It doesn't have to be your primary ID. Just sign in with any random Apple ID. Once you are signed in, just tap on the first option, which will add Pokemon Go from Pogo Skill onto your iOS device. Now this process will take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes, so just be patient, and your iOS device should be connected to your PC with a USB connection. After it has been added to your iPhone, you need to complete the following steps. Go to settings, afterwards general, VPN and device management, where you'll need to go to trusted application section and make sure to trust your Apple ID. And that's about it. Pokemon Go from Pogo Skill will be present on your iPhone. Our next step will be to set up TenorShare iAnyGo on our PC. So let's tap on the install option and wait until it has completed. And this video has been sponsored by TenorShare, though I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion on how this all works. There we go guys, TenorShare iAnyGo has successfully started. Once again, the first thing which I recommend is to register your product. So just enter your email ID and registration code. Once that has been done, make sure to read the disclaimer that this tool should be used for only educational and entertainment purposes or for privacy reasons only. With that being said, let's tap on the enter button, and it will ask you to connect your iOS/Android device with the PC. You can either use Wi-Fi connection or USB connection. If your iPhone is connected with the same Wi-Fi that is connected to your PC, then you will be able to find your iOS device right here. So just select your device, then tap on the next button. Afterwards, it will connect to your iOS device wirelessly, which means that now we are all set to spoofing our location on our iPhone. The next steps will be to simply open the Pokemon Go from Pogo Wizard onto your iOS device and make sure to log into your Pokemon Go account. Alright guys, towards the left side of your screen you will be able to see my iPhone, whereas on the right side we have the TenorShare iAnyGo. I'll be explaining all the features to you guys, but let's start off by talking about the search feature, which is present at the top left corner, and I'll prove it to you guys that this tool actually works without giving error 12 issues. In the search box, you can type the name of any place in the entire world where you'd like to teleport to or play Pokemon Go. For example, if I just go ahead and search New York, you will be able to see it says New York, United States, and I can simply tap on start to modify to teleport my location from Dubai to New York City in just a single click. And as you guys can see, we don't face any error 12 issues. You will also be able to see that all the Pokestops, Pokemon, etc. are being rendered properly without any issues. Anyways, I am back in Dubai now, and let me talk about the joystick feature, which you see at the top right corner. So just enable the joystick movement option and select the speed which you want the joystick controls to travel using the joystick option. Afterwards, you can use the WASD keys provided in the iAnyGo to change your location using the joystick controls, and you will be able to see that our character is traveling to a different location properly, so there is no issue with the Pogo Wizard. Anyways, if you want to stop the joystick movement, then you can tap on the square icon, and there we go, our joystick control has successfully stopped. This is very useful if you want to travel to different Pokestops in a short period of time by setting the speed which goes as fast as 108 km per hour. Anyways, I wouldn't recommend you to travel at that speed though. The next option is the change location option, which is also known as teleportation mode. So let's say you want to teleport to a different location, you can simply pinpoint it in map. Afterwards, tap on start to modify. You will notice immediately that our character has been teleported to that location without using any USB connection. We are directly spoofing this location wirelessly, so you don't need to worry about USB cables or anything like that. The next feature which we also get along with teleport mode is jump teleport mode, which means that you can set multiple points in the map which you want to teleport to, so you can set multiple destinations. Afterwards, tap on the start to move. It will start teleporting you to this location, so you can tap on start to move once again and you will notice that we are directly teleporting from one location to another. To stop using jump teleport mode, just tap on clear and then tap on the yes button. Now let's talk about the multi-spot and single spot movement, which are one of the most useful features while spoofing location in Pokemon Go. For single spot movement, you can just go ahead and tap any location in the map where you'd like to travel to. Afterwards, select the speed, then tap on start to move. Immediately, iAnyGo will create a route that will follow the roads to bring you to your specific destination. And if you want to catch any Pokemon or check out any Pokegym, then you can simply tap on the pause button, catch a Pokemon which you want to. There we go, that's how simple it is. And once that has been done, you can simply tap on the continue button and the spoofing will start working once again. So that's how simple it is. To stop single spot movement, tap on the stop button, and let's try out the multi-spot movements now. So in multi-spot movement, you can create your own routes which the character will follow. For example, if I want to take this route, then I'll just set multiple spots and create my own route which this spoofing tool should follow. Afterwards, I'll tap on start to move. You'll notice that our character will travel to the first point. As you'll be able to see, we have reached our first destination. Afterwards, our character will travel to the second destination. Anyways, you get more features like multi-device connection. You can also scan for Pokestops and gyms, which is a very useful feature. You get options to zoom in and zoom out in the map, and you can also reset your device location to the original coordinate. So in conclusion of our today's video, iAnyGo works properly. By the way guys, Tenor Share iAnyGo is also hosting a massive giveaway where you can get a ticket for Pokemon Go Summer Fest 2024. For more details, be sure to check out the description box below. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks again to Tenor Share for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.